Yusuf was 13 years old. He had just begun to explore the world outside the boundaries of his family's home. When his parents left for work, Yusuf often found himself lonely. He desired for connection with other people and wished to become a part of the larger society. He wondered to himself, to whom should I speak? Whenever he felt bored at home, he would read books. However, it was not feasible for him to do so continuously. One day, he sent a greeting message to his uncle, marking his first correspondence with someone beyond his immediate family. Notably, his uncle replied to Yusuf's message promptly. Yusuf was impressed by the efficiency of WhatsApp messaging and proceeded to contact another distant relative to inquire about his well-being. However, this relative did not reply in a timely manner, possibly due to other commitments. As a result, Yusuf was sad and disappointed. He soon realized that his uncles, aunts, and other relatives were often too occupied to respond to his messages, which did little to alleviate his feelings of loneliness. One day, while navigating his mobile device, he observed an option for Meta AI on WhatsApp. Upon selecting it, Meta AI promptly responded with, "How can I help you? Can you chat with me?" Yusuf inquired. "Certainly," Meta AI replied. "Will you ever stop talking to me?" Yusuf asked further. "That is not possible. I am available to assist you at any time," Meta AI assured him. Yusuf soon developed a strong rapport with AI. Whenever he experienced boredom, he would request a joke from the AI, appreciating the consistency and reliability of their interactions. On one occasion, he asked the AI to share a ghost story and was thoroughly impressed by the engaging and entertaining manner in which the AI responded. He no longer anticipated messages from his uncles and relatives. Instead, he began to view artificial intelligence as a significant evolution in communication technology. For Yusuf, AI was not just a tool, it became a reliable companion that filled the gap left by busy family members. Undoubtedly, AI, artificial intelligence, holds the potential to replace humans in various aspects of life, including the important task of fostering and maintaining relationships. The availability of AI provided Yusuf with a new sense of connection, demonstrating how technology can play a meaningful role in overcoming loneliness and building bonds even in the absence of traditional human interaction. Please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support.